Howdy, this is Dr. Astronomy from Homeless Astronomy, and good Saturday to you. Today we're going to have some Saturday astronomy in the daytime, simply because last night I was working on a couple, Castor and Pollux, and I went in and took a rest and went to sleep and didn't end up finishing the show. So, going to finish it today. So let's start off by taking a look at the sky at Castor and Pollux and seeing where they are in the star chart. First, let's take a look at Castor. Now remember, these star charts are for about 8 o'clock tonight. Now in the star chart, Castor lies just north of the planet Jupiter at about 72 degrees and 43 degrees elevation, 8 o'clock tonight. And we'll find Pollux right next to it. And as with Castor, Pollux also lies just north of Jupiter at 75 degrees and 36 degrees elevation. And remember, that's at about 8 o'clock tonight. And here's another star chart showing Castor and Pollux in the constellation Gemini. And there we have Castor and Pollux shown in this star chart in the constellation Gemini. Now that we got a bead on where they're at, let's take a look at them in my telescope. First up, the star Castor. And there through my telescope, you can see we have the star Castor in Gemini. Again, at 72 degrees and 43 degrees elevation at about 8 p.m. tonight. Now let's blow it up just a little bit. And now let's move on to the star Pollux right next to it. And there at about 8 p.m. through the telescope, we have the star Pollux, and again at 75 degrees and 36 degrees elevation. And let's blow it up just a little bit. And as you can see there, Pollux is a red giant star. Now let's track them across the sky with my telescope and have some words about them. First up, Castor. Castor, or Alpha Geminorum, is the second brightest star in the constellation Gemini, and one of the brightest stars in the nighttime sky. Although it has the Bayer designation Alpha, it is actually fainter than its twin, Beta Geminorum. And yes, Castor and Pollux are known as the twins. And let's follow up Castor with tracking Pollux across the sky. Pollux, or Beta Geminorum, is an orange giant star approximately 34 light years from Earth in the constellation Gemini, the twins. Although it may not look like it in my telescope, Pollux is the brightest star in the constellation Gemini. And as of 2006, Pollux was confirmed to have an extrasolar planet. And that was the stars Castor and Pollux in Gemini. Sorry you had to wait all night to get them, but now that you've seen it in the daytime, you'll be able to run out tonight at 8 o'clock and actually see it in the sky. Remember, it's going to be just north of Jupiter. Very hard to miss. So check it out. And I hope you get to see it. Thank you for watching. And just remember, the heavens declare the glory of God. Catch you later tonight.